is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, right now, we are headed to Mexico. Well, actually, like 5 minutes here down the street, but we are headed to Mexico because the homies put together a quick little shootout. Unfortunately, the slots didn't get filled up, but there's still a good amount of cars in it, and you know, it's gonna be a short, simple one. I'm about to pull up to the spot right now. I just texted my boys and they're still there because I am 14 minutes late, so hopefully we can get some chip drawing and see who's going to begin too.
Yeah, dude. You're gonna run the whole thing. What? I have the chips over there.
Man, if you guys remember the last shootout, me and the homie Chris did a little bet on the precision back housing, and your price was what, 150?
100.
No, 150 in yours,
150.
and then it was 100 if it was me. So I won, and now I got a new back housing for my Gen 2 6266.
Drop that clip right now, Gina. Drop the clip.
100?
Yeah.
If it lands on me, 150 on you. Yeah. I'm gonna call heads. 100 bucks. 100 bucks.
I printed it, man.
He just printed it.
Printed that shit. Hey, check his. I don't know. He from Oakland. Check his.
It's okay. I got it from the flea market.
Sergio?
Do you know what number you pulled out?
Yeah, the fours.
Huh?
The fours.
There should be 5 chips in there.
There's 5 chips in here.
Okay.
Who wants to go first?
2 1s, 2 2s, and 1
Ones, ones, twos, twos, and there's a 1 3.
Let Warren pick first. It's home court. I'll go first.
I want to buy.
Oh, go ahead.
Y'all can pick up.
I need it.
I just want to buy.
I need to buy.
Warren picks number 3.
I need to
Hell
buy.
yeah, what the fuck is this? Oh, fuck, I got number 2.
He got one. He got one. You got one.
Oh, 2. Right here.
Cool, we're not racing each other. We're not racing each other.
Oh, who'd you get?
I got
Who's
2.
going one?
I got one. Who got one?
Right here. One right here.
There you go. Who got the buy?
Let me get in his head for a little bit.
I got right lane. You got left. Hey, red is right lane. Red is right lane.
The fuck?
Red's green.
You win.
Oh yeah, hey,
You won.
red is right lane.
Oh, Red is Riley?
Warren versus.
No, that's twos.
Oh, Warren versus not. Warren versus
So
not.
who was number 3?
You were.
Number 3 got a buy.
Really?
You got the
I
buy.
got the buy.
Three's buy.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you can make a pass or you don't have to.
I'll take the pass.
No, you can't make a pass actually. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You gotta take a spark plug out.
All right, so oh fuck, we're on the trailer, me and you.
So if 6 shows up, then 6 is racing him.
Yeah,
or?
hey, Sergio. If other Sergio shows up, then you're with him.
Okay.
That's a good ass
Prep,
race.
no prep.
Go ahead.
No prep.
You want to do like last time?
Yeah.
Puddle burnout only?
Yep.
Yeah, puddle burnout only.
1 or 2 passes. Oh, burnout.
How many burnouts you guys won? There's only 5.
One.
I'm good with 1.
One?
Word?
One. I'm good with
One.
1.
Now,
Okay.
burnout is a burnout or crack a tire done. I don't like that shit. I think it should be able to get a
solid
fucking-
burnout.
A solid burnout.
Yeah.
Solid burnout.
Fine.
You guys know the general
Okay,
rules.
but if you're on your Tuesday for heck along and your tire spins a little bit and then you retry it, like that's done.
That's not a burnout.
No, that's not a burnout.
That's not a burnout.
So you can.
We
keep
want to see
on
some
grinding
smokes.
until-
We want to see some
until-
smokes.
You gotta have some
All
smoke.
right. I got it. I'm gonna do. Yeet, 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 yeet.
Yeah. Hey, if you want to flag, you can flag. Bro, look at these hands. No problem.
You have everybody jumping. Oh, you almost.
Hey, did they redo this road or some shit?
Yeah, it looks like they did a layover on
That's what I'm saying. Like they redid it or something. First round up, Darkside Chris, Powerline Integra. He got the buy again.
He got the buy again, so
He can't.
yeah, he can't do it. Redraw.
Is that's my luck today?
Where was his luck when you needed it, huh?
Hey, you can't look in there.
That's what I call
You
it.
can no choice to buy.
I don't have to look at it no more.
1, 2.
So then you warning him. Okay.
I got the buy.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I let all the time before.
You lit off right there by the goddamn light,
Bro, I street race my car every fucking
I'll
weekend.
tell you this, you were in front of me.
Oh,
All the
yeah,
way down.
3-4 cars,
But
all day long.
you were short though, bro. You were short.
I never bang through. I promise you.
All right, so there was a controversy about who won that last race, and apparently Warren took the win over the EG only because the EG had hit his brake light right after the light, and right after the light it's not a quarter mile. So because he let off, Warren came around the full 1/8 mile, or full quarter mile, sorry. was right.
Yeah,
it was Warren. So I guess Warren took the win on this one.
I did.
Yeah. Finally,
Yeah, finally.
I do what I could, man.
Hey, that was a nice one. So Sergio and Warren is gonna run it back. Fun runs, EG versus EK.